Guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to be showing you how to download another great build. It's called Post CCM build. It's not that big in file size, so it works really good for Android devices, firesticks, as well as Windows platform devices. It's pretty much fully up to date with your Exodus, Asylum, stuff like that. It has some other great movie and TV show add-ons as well. So what you want to do first is you want to erase everything that you have on your Kodi right now. You don't want to uninstall it. You just want to erase the build that you have on it. But what you'll do is just go to the settings box on most Android devices on your main screen, click it, go over to apps, click it, look for the Kodi app. You want to highlight and click it, and then go down to where it says clear data. What that'll do is erase every your Kodi build that you previously had on Kodi, and then when you go to open it up, it's going to look like this. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to add the repo for the Ares wizard, because that's what you're going to use to download the Post CCM build. It's the only way that you can get it. So what we're going to do is just click on this little settings wheel. Then you want to go down here to File Manager, click it, and then go to Add Source. Once this comes up, you want to put in this first box right here the web link in order to get the repo. So what we're going to do is hit OK. It's going to bring this up, and you want to put in http //repo.ares project.com/magic. So once you get this put in, just go over here to OK and click it. Down here in the second box, you want to erase where it says magic and just put Ares. It's just going to be a faster way for you to find the folder that you're about to create. Once you have everything like this, and again, I will have the web link, the source, in the description of this video. So once we get all this in, you just want to click OK. Then you want to go back to your Kodi main screen, go down to add-ons, go up to this little box up here, click it. Then you want to go to install from zip, which is already highlighted. Now once you click on that, it's going to bring this up. Just go over to settings, click it, and then where it has unknown sources highlighted, just hit your OK button one time. It'll bring this up. Just click yes. Then you want to hit your back button once. It's going to bring you back here. Go back to install from zip. As you can see right here, here's the Ares folder that we created. You want to click it. Then go down to repository.ares project, click it, and then go down here to the zip file. It's going to be the only file in there, so just go ahead and highlight and click it. What it's doing now, it's going to add that repo onto the Kodi. That way we can go inside of it and get the Ares wizard. As you can see up here at the top, it says add-on installed. So what we want to do now is go to install from repository. Here's the Ares project. Just click it. Then go to program add-ons. And as you can see, here's Ares wizard. So we want to click on that and then click install. Once that's installed, you just want to click on it again, go over to open, click it. Usually takes it up to a minute and a half for it to bring what it needs to bring up. Okay, so as you can see now we're in the Ares wizard. They do offer a lot of builds. Some of them are pretty good. Some of them are, okay. But what you want to do is highlight Browse Builds and then click it. Then you want to go down here to Pulse, which is the third one down, and click it. Now when you click it, it wants you to go to this web link, as you can see in the yellow, which you can't see it that good, but I will put it in the description of the video. But all you'll do is just open up your web browser, go to this link. It's going to give you a 4-digit code. Once you get that 4-digit code, you just want to go over to enter PIN. So for me, it's 6688. Once you put it in, just click done. Then it's going to bring you over here to the actual builds. They have one for Jarvis, which is for 16.1, and then you have Krypton, which is for Kodi 17.1 or higher. Any one of these you can highlight, and what you want to do is just click over to the right, click on Install. It's going to bring this up. Don't click any of that. What you want to do is just click Proceed, and now it's downloading the build. Depending on your internet speed, it usually just takes a couple of minutes. Sometimes it could go up to 5 minutes. Again, it just really depends on your internet speed. Also, once I show you what the build looks like and all that, after we do the installation of it, I'm also going to make another video to show you how to adjust the settings, like in Exodus and stuff like that, and also how to add add-ons onto your main screen of the post build if you want to replace it with something else. You know, if there's something that you use a lot, you don't want to keep having to go to like video add-ons and stuff like that. I will show you how to add stuff to your main menu of the post build. So what it's doing now, it's extracting the file, it's adding all the add-ons onto it. Again, it usually takes a couple of minutes. Okay, so once it does all that, it's going to bring this up. It's going to ask you, would you like to back up the scan/profile? You can click no or yes. I usually just click yes. Once you do that, it's going to bring this up. Usually takes it up to a minute for it to back everything up. Once you do that, it'll ask you, would you like to enter in for the free competition? You can. Most of the time, I don't. I'm just going to click no. Now it's going to say Kodi needs to be closed. Press OK to attempt to close Kodi. So just click OK. It's going to bring you back to your main screen of your device, whatever you're using, Fire Stick, Android device, or Windows. And what you want to do is just reopen Kodi. And here's the build. You always want to give it the first 2 minutes because there's going to be updates for the add-ons. So what you want to do is just give it a couple of minutes. It's always going to tell you on the bottom right-hand corner what add-ons are updating and so on. And anytime that you go to open up this build for the first time to go to use it, you still want to give it up to a couple of minutes, 2 at the most, just in case if there is any updates. That way you don't interfere with it. It doesn't freeze up on you or anything like that. But as you can see, it has movies, and as you can see, you have Asylum. People call it Asylum. You have Exodus, Specto, SOTS, UK Turk, Stream Army, iStream. It has a sports section. As you can see, it has UK Turks, Goodfellas, Stream Army, Deliverance, Live Premium, Premiership, DC Sports, FMG. It even has a kids section. As you can see, it has Bobby, Stream Army, Cypher, UK Turks. Now, again, as I told you, it's always going to have updates on the fresh start after you download it, so always just give it time for it to do that. But as you can see, it's always going to tell you what add-ons are updating. And then again, anytime that you go to open it up for the first time, just always give it a few minutes, 2 at the most, in case if there's any new updates or anything like that. It has live streams, Stream Army, Goodfellas, Bob, UK Turks, Wolfpack, Vortex, Rising Tides. You have your live TV section. Here's your system, and as you can see, you have your Aries Wizard. You have the sub-menu categories, which your video add-ons, program add-ons. There's your file manager to add different add-ons if you see something that you like. It has a music section, and then here's your TV show section. Again, most builds offer the same thing. It's just usually most of the time it's just a different look. But this build, it runs real smooth on Android boxes and Fire Sticks, which is a plus. So yeah, that's really it. I'm going to go ahead and make another video showing you how to adjust the settings for like Exodus and all that, and how to add something to your main menu of the post build. Say you want to replace salts with another good add-on or something like that, or replace Specto. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, just give me that like button, and see you guys soon.